You can stay at this luxury resort for just $50. This is the Phoenician Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona, where we stayed in a grand deluxe room that should have cost us over $850, but we paid only about $50. Not only was this room practically free, but we were upgraded, allowed to choose our room, and we were given late checkout. This is just one example of the many amazing destinations that we've been able to experience by travel hacking. And in this video, Tyler will tell you exactly how we got this deal. We have saved over $170,000 in travel in less than a year by travel hacking. So like and subscribe if you're interested in hearing how we do this.
So we are here at the lovely Phoenician Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona. And this hotel room that we're in right now would have been $852 a night. Instead, all we paid was the resort fee, which was about $50. And we got that deal because we used points to book this hotel room. So we used a free night certificate that we got from signing up for a Marriott card through Chase. And we got 5 of those from one card, and we used one for this night here. So the one card has saved us a couple $1,000s on fancy hotel stays like this one here. We also got upgraded for free to a higher room with a better view, and that was because we have gold status with Marriott. So we have a platinum card through American Express that gives us free Marriott Gold status. We use that status to get us free upgrades and things like late checkout, which we hopefully will also get tomorrow. And at the check-in, they actually let us choose which room we wanted of the upgrades. So we could have chosen a mountain view with like desert or the pool. We chose the pool view because we live in the desert and we see that all the time.
They're so cute, right in front of the porch. Okay, right in front of our balcony. There's bunnies, little bunnies eating grass. They're so cute. Like right there. Bunnies on my birthday. I'm so excited.
Yeah, look at those bunnies. Look at those little bunnies. Those cute little bunnies.
Somebody just knocked on the door and Tyler went to go get it, but before he did, he kind of like looked at me.
The knowing look, that's what it is.
And this is why. This is what they dropped off. Some champagne and
Confections?
confections. He told them it's my birthday.
They're gonna run away before you even get over there.
I'm just gonna casually walk by. You see the small one?
Mm-hmm. And they're gone.
They're so cute.
Ooh, look at that ass.
Yeah, it's on.
We got to a room and they did turn down.
For what?
We got chocolates too. We have been to over 26 countries in the last year, and we've saved over $170,000 on travel in less than a year by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.